In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Apple Pay Digital Wallet. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your Apple Wallet and Apple Pay is a very simple process. As long as you have the latest version of iOS installed on your phone or on your Apple Watch, you will be able to open up the Wallet app to set it up. First, within the Wallet app on your iPhone or the watch, click the plus sign at the top right corner of your screen and you will have the options to add a new credit or debit card. As you can see as I'm showing you on screen, all you have to do is click the plus sign, select credit or debit card and follow the instructions to validate and add your credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. As soon as it has been added, it will be listed on your wallet and you are going to be able to use that card for payments when you select to pay with Apple Pay. So go ahead and make a purchase, select Apple Pay as the payment method, and every time you do, you will be redirected to the Apple Wallet where you are going to be able to see the card that you added. You can also manage any amount of cash balance that you have inside of the Wallet app, but as long as you have a credit or debit card linked on your Apple Wallet, you will be able to make payments using the Apple Pay. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Apple Pay digital wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.